Aloha guys, good morning and welcome back. Happy summer, happy July. We're gonna be hanging out on the boat all day today. We're gonna do some diving, some exploring. We're gonna look for different animals. We're gonna swim through some underwater sea caves. So come hang out with us off the ledge. Yes, it is such a nice day out today. Volcano is all clear. We're gonna cruise down the coastline. Maybe take about 20 minutes or so to get to the spot. So, let's go. Oh, got some dolphins over there too. We're gonna check them out real fast. And don't worry, I promise I throw anchor in the sandy patch every single time I anchor up my boat. I'll show you guys when I hop in, but I promise it's in the sand, not on the reef. But yes, look at how clear and blue it is. You can see the reef right here. There's a little shelf. We're gonna hop in right now. But yeah, how nice it is. Beautiful today. I'm not using free-diving fins today. I don't feel like it.
little puka in the reef right underneath me. We're gonna try and swim through it. Let's see how it goes. It's really small. Alright, we're gonna do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Made it. Yes, that was such a good dive. There were so many animals and the water clarity is super good today. There's no wind too, which made for some really nice like boating conditions on the way here. Also, I did not know, did you guys see all those eagle rays? I did not know that is why the large females have those big white suction marks basically on their dorsal side. When you're looking down at them, you can see them. It looks like a big white circular like disc on their back, and that's from the males. They actually anchor themselves while they're mating. I don't know if they're sucking on the back and using it as an anchoring mechanism to you know, to stabilize themselves while mating, but I have never seen that before with the eagle rays. So that was pretty interesting. A lot of in the summertime, there's a lot of animals that are mating around here. Yeah, I always thought that the mouth of the eagle ray was used for foraging, because I've seen them digging in sand before, but I never knew that it doubled down as an anchoring mechanism. So that was pretty cool. Never seen that before. All right, guys, so I'm done diving in this area. I'm gonna cruise to the bay next door and see what's going on over there. So keep following along. Oh, I see dolphins jumping. They must have made it down to the bay. I see some dolphins jumping right now. And that is why they're called spinner dolphins. They jump in the air and they spin to knock parasites and sucker fish off, remoras, anything else, and any kind of parasitic fish that's hanging onto them. They also do it for fun too. I feel like they come out of the womb knowing how to do it. I've seen little babies just jumping right out of the water. Can't be more or bigger than the size of a football, just jumping out of the water and spinning like that. But apparently they can do up to 8 to like 10 rotations when they jump and spin out of the water. They're pretty cool. All right, my friends, thanks for following along on this short little quick dive adventure. It's really fun. You know, we have a few months out of the year where we do get to enjoy diving. The winter, season is pretty long over here, and the huge, gigantic waves make it impossible for us to get close to the reefs and to go diving and just check out what's underneath the surface, So really fun to get to do that for the short few months that we get to during the summertime. But maybe on our next video, we'll do a little camping on the boat, fishing, catch and cook, diving. That would be fun. But yeah, thanks for following along on this adventure, and we will see you guys on our next one. All right, aloha guys.